I think they're only talking really about that statistic, that 30 points on 50% shooting, because the game has changed so much since the 90s. Like, the 30 points and 50% shooting is a testament of the dominance of Michael Jordan in the 90s, right? But if you put it here, someone like SGA can do it, but he's not on an MJ GOAT level, diba? Parang scenario in this generation, because in this generation 3 points is king, diba? So hindi naman nila kino-compare si MJ, si SJ, si MJ. However, yung statistics na sinasabi na kakaiba is really an incredible stat. And to compare to Anthony Edwards, si Anthony Edwards mas may yung athleticism, mas may yabang ni Jordan, mas may enthusiasm,
I would put Anthony Edwards over SGA.
Oh, right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi pagpalit mo sila ng team. Pagpalit mo sila ng team ngayon, lagay mo si SGA sa Minnesota, lagay mo si Anthony Edwards sa OKC.
I think mas malakas yung team talaga ng OKC. Hindi, mas malakas yung OKC team. But also napansin ko, statistically, tuwing nilalabas si SGA, parang disorganized ng OKC eh. Kahit meron silang Jalen Williams, meron silang I just think that SGA is a subtle, quiet player, but he's super efficient as a player. Hindi siya